Perfect glueless wig. Look at that. Look at that. Like red is my color. It's just giving. All right, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are doing a wig review. And it's actually from LuvMe Hair. I've done collaborations with them in the past, and they wanted to do it again. But it comes in this cute purple box. And y'all, I have a glueless wig. So you get the, I kind of took a sneak peek, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I had to see the texture. But yes, this is a glueless wig today. And then they give you this cute little message inside. You get your hair, you get a wig cap. You also get this cute little compact mirror, cute. And then you also get a little edge control brush. It came in this cute little bag. Super cute. I'm lucky feeling the red today. I didn't think I was going to look like this for my comeback video. I don't know. But yeah, so we are gonna be installing LuvMe's glueless wig. I'm gonna have everything down in the description below for you guys, just in case you want to purchase it. I just want to show you guys a few details from the wig, and then we are going to install. And it is glueless, so it shouldn't take long. Super, super cute. Let me stop playing in it. Oh, this is so cute. So right out the box, hair is feeling great, thick. Love it. Only reason why is because it's summer, curly hair season, bob season. It's given. It's glueless. You don't have to do too much. But I did want to show you guys like just the quality, how thick it actually is, because it's really, really thick. Like you can clearly see it, but it's a vibe. It is given. She's sitting pretty. Like, look at the curls, y'all. Like, for you to just be able to just activate the curls with like water, it's a hit. It comes with this stretchy elastic band, which is great. Comes with a few combs. I'm not really gonna use them. We'll see. I might take them out. She's so cute, y'all. She's giving, I am a cute little princess. I can see this literally like not going anywhere. Because it is glueless, technically you don't have to actually apply glue. I just needed to show y'all like the quality of the hair. The elastic band is actually very, not tight. My head is also very big, but it's really not that tight on my head. But because it is glueless, you want to make sure that it's not like moving, you know? But it's like pretty secure. I am literally just going to customize her a little with you guys. I do have on a bald cap, okay? So I'm just gonna kind of keep it close to my hairline because I want it to be as realistic as possible. But she already looks pretty nice. She does need to be bleached. Gotta bleach them knots, honey. But I'm not gonna do that this video because I actually do want to dye the hair. So I'm just going to cut this lace, honey. I'm just gonna kind of do like baby zigzag motions. I do have shears. They're like pinking shears. I'm gonna bring you guys slightly closer, not too close. I have a couple of my favorite tools. So I have a few small brushes and my favorite powder for like my hair. You can always put more powder on the inside of your cap to match. So I just dipped a little bit in there. So matching lace isn't that hard because once you actually have a foundation that's kind of close to your skin tone, you set. So I'm just gonna, oh, I almost dipped into this super dark blush, girl. I'm just gonna kind of match that to my skin. And she is giving. She is a vibe. I'm gonna change brushes. I'm gonna be using like a smaller concealer brush. And I'm just gonna be putting that on the inside. I'm a hair tucker. Like, I don't know how to explain that, but I'm always doing one of these. I feel like it's just cuter that way, you know? But let me grab some curly hair products. I'm gonna do water on one side and then products on the other. The only reason why is because I kind of want to show you what it looks like without the product. But with product, you finna see these curls come out. So left side is gonna be water. It has like slight leave-in conditioner in it. Just gonna kind of finger rake the curls. Oh, just kind of get the curls more in uniform. Oh. Get the bottom a little. And then I'll show you guys again what she looks like when she's dry. But this is just water. Just water. How y'all feel? Because I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. So I have the Curl Sea Moss collection, and I have the Curl Cream, and then I have the Mousse. So the mousse hasn't really felt crunchy. It's more slimy, but I think that's because of the sea moss. I'm gonna wet this side a little, but I'm also gonna put in products so that you guys can like see the difference. Me, short hair, like I'm actually kind of shocked. I never talk through tutorials. Like, I don't know how I feel. I hope y'all don't think a girl talk too much. Now that she's slightly damp, I'm gonna add in some products. So I do have like slight shedding. It's nothing too crazy, but I'm also like running my hands through the curls. So that's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I'm actually gonna start off with some curl cream. This is the Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Dang, it smells really, really good. And you don't need that much, but I'm literally just gonna rake it through the entire side. That way I can really get that product in. Scrunch a little. Ooh, okay hair. And you can always do it section by section to make sure that you get the most definition. But I'm kind of treating it like I would my curls in a lazy way. Because, you know, I'm not finna shingle my whole head. And then I'm going to take the Nourish and Shine Seafoam. So it's not super, super foamy, but it's enough. And it's slightly thick. It's kind of creamy. So I'm just gonna do the same action. Ooh, but this smells better than the curling cream. So this will just kind of give it a slight hold. Without making your hair feel super, super crunchy. And then we're gonna give it just a little scrunch one more time. And then I will actually come back and show you guys what the hair kind of dried like. Okay, but you can kind of tell the difference. It just gives more definition. You still get great curls when it comes to the water side. So regardless, if you add product, don't add product, the curls are still beautiful, okay? This is slightly drying because I didn't spray it too much, but this was just water, and this is products. I'm gonna do the other side and make sure that I'm looking like a bad bee with the other side. She needs a date. She needs an outfit because she's the moment. Here is the hair, nice and dried. If you do want your knots to be a lot lighter, you definitely will need to bleach the knots. Also, like in like baby layers, because it's a lot shorter here and then longer at the bottom. I kind of like it. When I tell you this ain't even on my head for real, like it's not even on my head, okay? And then I can put that thing right back on. Feel like I'm gonna get lots of compliments on this hair, which is so funny. What do you guys think? Let me know. This video was pretty short, but it's because like it's literally glueless. Like, what do you have to do? Nothing. You just gotta make sure that it matches your skin tone, and that's it. But yeah, that's literally all I have to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so glad to be back.